I think it's important to hear that when we knowingly know we can get 4 crops out of productive ag lands, and to say that, to sacrifice that, so somewhere else where you can get 2 crops a year.
Yakusa, the last stop. Please change here for the Aichi Loop line. This train is out of service.
まもなくドアが閉まります。ご注意ください。右のドアは発車時間になって閉まります。駆け込み乗車は危険です。
The train will soon arrive.
お客様の近くに不審なものがありましたら触らないで係員にお知らせください。
The next station is Irigaike Koi.
藤ヶ丘お出口は右側です。地下鉄東山線はお乗り換えです。リニモをご利用くださいましてありがとうございました。お忘れ物のないようにご注意ください。
We will arrive at the Fujigaoka Terminal. The doors on the right side will open.
リニモをご利用くださいましてありがとうございました。
Aloha, we can still save this rail project. Please assist, consider having your elected officials from City Council or the Mayor himself to entertain an informational briefing whereby all those in the business could come and share what they believe they can do to help us and save the taxpayer from further going downhill with this rail project. We can save this rail project if we were all to be aware of those that are out there who can offer us the solutions, as you are seeing and watching in this 3-part series. So please, consider asking your neighborhood board at that level to pass a resolution asking the city council member and mayor that represents you and your board that they have that informational briefing so that all of us can see really what is the best product for Honolulu for the future. If you're from Mililani or Waianae or Hawaii Kai have a beach and you're looking forward to a spur to come to your town, do you want steel wheel on steel rail? Or would you rather have something like this serving you?
stepping forward. Is there anyone else wishing to testify on Resolution 11-328? Seeing no one, members, we are in discussion. Councilmember Burke.
There was a symposium in South Korea whereby right now there's 5 countries doing maglev, which is magnetic levitation. It's quiet. Urban maglev was not on the docket in the mix when the alternative analysis came about. Urban maglev built by Americans, American technology. In this packet from the symposium in South Korea, you'll see there's federal monies. There'd be no delay, absolutely none. HART already has the authority to do maglev and monorail. Already has the authority. Federal dollars will still come in on time in September 2012. This doesn't delay anything. What this does is put on the footprint a smaller footprint, less of a blight, lesser in weight, less concrete usage, smaller stations, smaller pillars, less intrusion on the EV. It's endless. This maglev makes no noise. And the steel wheel on steel rail is going to plow through Waipahu next to 2 schools, Waipahu Intermediate, Waipahu High School. They don't have air conditioning. My concern is it's a stone's throw away. We're going to keep dumping dollars to mitigate noise with steel on steel. Just Google steel on steel. No municipality in the United States has built heavy rail in the last 30 years in our country for a reason. It's archaic, obsolete technology that belongs in the Smithsonian. I got 4 more minutes, I believe. I think I have 5 minutes, right? Do I have 5 minutes on a subject matter to comment? Do I have 5?
If you need 5 minutes, go ahead.
Okay.
The technologies developed at Innopolis TEDOC are commercialized when their research is near completion. A case in point is the magnetic levitation trains, simply known as maglev, developed by the Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials. Korea is the second country in the world to offer urban maglev service, next to Japan. The maglev trains are in test operation before they are put to actual service. The maglev project is sponsored jointly by the Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials, the Korea Rail Network Authority, and a civilian enterprise. A maglev train stops at the platform, and Thomas gets in. The train is lifted off the rail with magnetic force. Maglev is considered one of the most eco-friendly transportation modes.
It drives by itself? It drives by itself? There's nobody here.
The maximum speed is 80.
Okay. But it's scary if it drives by itself. Well, we took this test drive, so I mean, I liked watching that gentleman on the left because it seemed like the train was his baby. He was the guy who invented it or who was in charge, and he was really making. Everybody else was minor, and he had his ride for the first time. It was very soft gliding on the.
자기 부상 열차는 기존의 바퀴식으로 가던 열차가 이제 레일 위를 떠서 전자석의 힘에 의해서 전체 차량이 들리게 됩니다. 그래서 8mm가 떠서 가기 때문에 지상으로 가더라도 소음과 진동이 없어서 타는 사람과 주변에 있는 사람들한테 영향을 안 주는 최첨단 열차라고 볼 수 있습니다.
Noiseless and vibration-free, maglev trains are a perfect model of next-generation urban transit.
This is a Hail Mary, members. It's a Hail Mary to take what Councilman Cachola did with sludge. And I supported him on it. I actually voted no to shipping the sludge, okay? Because he said there's new technology. And I said, well, the decision was made in 2003. Let's move forward. You're going to delay things and force sludge in my district. What? So with that said, we got shipping the sludge and Honolulu going on, okay? Maybe coming to Waianae's treatment plant. All because this council said, let's review new technologies around the world so we can save taxpayers' monies and we can do sludge right. That's all this does. It mirrors the same premise, the same precedents set by this council to say things have changed. Maglev is about half the price of steel wheel, and I really think that we owe it to Honolulu to put something on our landscape that can make sharp turns, go up and down the hills to UH Manoa, possibly go to Mililani, do spurs into the Waianae coast, all for the same price of this $9 billion rail, 30-year tax to go to the 34-mile segment. When the vote came up, do you want steel wheels on steel rail? When the vote came up, imagine if on the ballot it said, do you want maglev? I'm sure we'd probably have the same results. If the vote said, do you want monorail? We'd probably still have the same results. The fact it said steel wheel and steel rail and nothing else trapped us. It backed us into a corner. The reason maglev, I don't think, advanced is there was no one here pitching it and selling it. Nobody's going to make a buck off it because it's the right thing to do for the taxpayer. This rail is not about traffic relief. We all know that. That's the bottom line. This is not to trump or usurp the voter. This does not delay the rail. It does not kill the rail. It's going to save taxpayers billions of dollars and a lot of earaches, as you heard in testimony. A lot of earaches. And I'm trying to be as professional and calm as I can here, but I'll tell you, when I see this symposium in South Korea that could have given us five bidders, what did we get? Canadian company, Italian company, and a Japanese company for steel wheel. We could have had 5 bidders on maglev. More competition, better bang for our buck, and a much 21st century technology. So the Americans build this.
So it's being done. It's just not being done here. There's no reason why we can't do this. This is America. There's no reason why the future of travel should lie somewhere else, beyond our borders.
They've had it in San Diego for 20 years as a pilot. The federal government gives funds for this, and it was disqualified because it was proprietary. It is not proprietary. If it were proprietary, South Korea would be getting their technology from Japan. Germany would be getting their technology from Japan. China would be getting their technology from Japan. The United States would be getting their technology from Japan. That's not a truthful statement. That is a deception on the taxpayer that the only solution was steel wheel and steel rail. And I'm throwing a Hail Mary to you, council members. I'm hoping that we can heal this community instead of having a 53 to 47 split on this rail with the ballot on the last vote. Let's get an 80, 90, or 100% concurrence, and everybody rally around this rail. Let's do rail right. We have an opportunity.
Now, all of you know this is not some fanciful pie-in-the-sky vision of the future. It is now. It is happening right now. It's been happening for decades. The problem is it's been happening elsewhere,
To take a chance
not here.
and have maglev or monorail technology, whoosh, quiet, go through our community at a lesser price. It's worth the quality of life improvement, and most importantly, I'm a little bit.
Council member, I'm going to have to ask
Yeah,
you to conclude.
yeah,
your
I'm going to
remarks.
wrap up with this. To say that this resolution wastes taxpayers' monies is an affront to me, and an affront to Council District 1, who, as you see, many people came here and testified. We have a better way to do this, Chair. Members, we really do. And it won't be a waste of taxpayers' dollars. It will be a savings.
Thank you,
Hello.
Council Member Burke. Members, any further discussion? Council Member Harimoto.
No emissions of any kind. So we have no carbon emissions. We have nothing that uses oil and grease, nothing to be maintained. Everything is all zero emission. So it's good for the environment, and it's cheap to operate, and it's cheap to build.
저까지 가서 핸드폰 때문에 사진도 못 찍고 통화도
don't know if that looks familiar. That's the header for this brochure. And it was the top of an 8-page glossy brochure the city distributed throughout the island in mid-2008. Its goal was to convince everyone not that familiar with what was going on at Honolulu Hale that the term rail was the same as steel wheels on steel rails. It was a piece of propaganda aimed at voter support in November that year, and it successfully gained a 53-47% margin of victory. But are steel wheels the only rail? This information can be found in the Federal Transit Administration website glossary. On the slide, NTD stands for the National Transit Database. The point is that the city's effort in 2008 was deliberately deceptive and attempted to arbitrarily eliminate other technologies accepted by the FTA as rail. There are several forms of rail and the city knew it. However, I am not sure the voters were aware how they were being manipulated. In fact, some people locally believe that FTA will not support automated guideway or monorail systems, so let me disprove that.
So what happened was we as a citizenry said, do something. So we passed rail in 08. And what rail was in 08 was they said steel on steel is going to be it, like it, take it, or leave it. I concur with some that believe that maglev, alternative technologies, the EVA Neighborhood Board, by the way, supported rubber tire and concrete and wanted emergency service, front door service looked at in this alternative analysis. So the EVA Beach Neighborhood Board did not even adopt or support steel on steel.
And finally, Beijing plans to introduce Chinese-made maglev trains to ease urban traffic congestion. Municipal authorities confirmed the plan Thursday and said the goal is to cut commuting time within the city's Fifth Ring Road to 1 hour by 2015. Maglev trains can reach a speed of up to 500 kilometers an hour, but trains in Beijing will travel at 80 to 100 kilometers an hour for passenger safety. The committee says maglevs are a big improvement over subways and light rail.
Imagine whisking through towns at speeds over 100 miles an hour, walking only a few steps to public transportation, and ending up just blocks from your destination. Imagine what a great project that would be to rebuild America. Now, all of you know this is not some fanciful pie-in-the-sky vision of the future. It is now. It is happening right now. It's been happening for decades. The problem is it's been happening elsewhere, not here. So it's being done. It's just not being done here. There's no reason why we can't do this. This is America. There's no reason why the future of travel should lie somewhere else, beyond our borders.
The next station is Bangkok Haichong. Passengers going to the next station, please get off at Bangkok Haichong. The doors on the right side. Passengers going to the exit. Please get off
선로위를 떠서 달리는 도시형 자기부상 열차가 오는 7월부터 인천공항에서 세계 두 번째로 운행을 시작합니다. 국내 순수 기술로 제작된 것으로 소음과 진동이 적고 경제성이 높아 녹색 교통 시대를 열 것으로 기대됩니다. 양회영 기자가 취재했습니다.
노란색 열차의 차체가 살짝 위로 떠오르더니 미끄러지듯 출발합니다. 바퀴가 없는 대신 선로 위에 8mm가량 떠서 달리는 자기부상 열차입니다. 자기부상 열차는 선로를 디귿자 형태로 감싸고 있는데 두 개의 전자석이 아래 위에 붙어 있습니다. 선로 아래에 있는 전자석에 전류를 흘려주면 선로와 붙으려는 성질이 생겨 열차가 위로 뜹니다. 이후 선로 위쪽 전자석에 전류를 흘려주면 전자석 아래 선로는 같은 극이, 그 앞부분은 다른 극이 형성되며 밀고 당기는 힘이 작용해 열차가 앞으로 움직이는 겁니다. 바퀴가 선로와 마찰하지 않기 때문에 운행 중 소음이 일반 지하철의 80%에 불과하고 진동도 거의 없습니다. 선로에 떠서 운행하는 자기부상 열차는 최고 시속 80km로 달리지만 열차 안에서는 진동이 거의 느껴지지 않습니다. 또 부품이나 선로 마모가 없는 데다 무인운전 시스템으로 돼 있어 운영비도 일반 전철의 70% 정도에 불과합니다.
레일에 우리가 보통 굴러가는 휠이라고 부르는 게 그런 게 없고 마모가 없어서 유지 보수에 굉장히 저렴한 비용으로 할 수 있습니다.
순수 국내 기술로 개발된 자기부상 열차는 2년여에 걸친 성능 시험을 통해 안전성도 높였습니다. 비상사고 시 안전 제동 거리를 기존의 절반인 100m로 줄였고 전자석에 의한 전자기판은 TV보다 적은 수준으로 낮췄습니다.
기존에 구축이 된 그런 어떤 여러 가지 철도망이라든지 도로망이라든지 그런 거와 같이 어울려서 아파트라든지 이런 주변을 소음이 적기 때문에 친환경적으로 구축을 할 수 있어서
세계 두 번째로 상용화된 도시형 자기부상 열차는 오는 7월부터 인천국제공항역에서 용류역까지 6.1km 구간을 달리며 당분간 무료로 운영될 예정입니다. YTN 사이언스
All of you know this is not some fanciful pie in the sky vision of the future. It is now. It is happening right now. It's been happening for decades. The problem is it's been happening elsewhere.
세계는 지금
Not here.
첨단 기술을 기초로 한 창조 기술의 시대. 과학과 정보통신 그리고 문화를 융합한 핵심 가치를 통해 세계인의 삶의 질을 높이는 창조 기술의 경쟁 시대입니다. 대한민국의 창조 기술로 만든 도시형 자기부상 열차 에코비. 에코비는 안전성, 친환경성, 경제성을 완벽하게 실현한 기차입니다. 마침내 세계 무대를 향해 힘차게 뜨는 에코비. 대한민국의 창조 기술이 함께 뜹니다. 기차가 뜹니다. 안전하게 뜹니다. 국민 행복을 추구하는 가장 안전한 도시형 자기부상 열차 에코비. 에코비의 자기부상은 기차 레일 밑의 전자석이 레일과 서로 붙으려는 힘을 이용하여 열차 전체를 부상시키는 원리입니다. 따라서 기차가 레일 위를 일정한 간격으로 떠서 얼마나 안전하게 달릴 수 있느냐가 중요합니다. 에코비는 바퀴 대신 대차가 궤도를 감싸는 안전한 구조로 탈선, 전복, 펑크의 위험이 없습니다. 또한 열차 내, 역구 내, 선로 주변에서도 가정에서 접하는 비슷한 정도의 전자파만 발생하므로 인체에도 안전한 교통 시스템입니다. 이제 국민 한 분 한 분이 안심하고 탈 수 있는 자기 부상 열차 에코비가 뜹니다. 기분이 뜹니다. 친환경으로 뜹니다. 인간과 환경을 보호하는 친환경 자기부상 열차 에코비. 에코비는 레일 위를 떠서 주행하기 때문에 소음이 65dB 이하로 조용하여 주변 도시 환경에 영향을 주지 않습니다. 또한 곡선 주행 시에도 마찰음과 진동이 거의 없으며 기존 바퀴식 열차와 달리 분진도 발생하지 않습니다. 특히 슬러버가 없는 선로 구조물로서 밑으로 햇빛이 잘 통하는 친환경 교통 시스템입니다. 저소음, 저진동, 저분진으로 환경을 먼저 생각하는 친환경 자기부상 열차 에코비가 뜹니다. 기술이 뜹니다. 경제가 뜹니다. 국가 경제에 이바지하는 고효율 자기부상 열차 에코비. 에코비는 기존 열차들에 비해 비용이 더 절감됩니다. 슬라브와 방음벽이 필요 없는 거더 시스템으로 경전철보다 건설비가 현저히 줄어듭니다. 또한 선로 유지 보수, 에너지 절감 등 경제성도 탁월합니다. 건설비와 운영비의 효율성을 극대화한 자기 부상 열차. 세계에서 가장 경제적인 도시형 자기 부상 열차 에코비가 뜹니다. 꿈의 기차가 뜹니다. 세계인의 삶의 질이 뜹니다. 이제 땅속의 교통시대는 가고 있습니다. 승객과 선로 주변의 사람들 모두가 만족하는 자기 부상 열차의 시대가 뜨고 있습니다. 에코비는 우리 아이들에게 소중한 햇볕을 돌려줄 것입니다. 또한 소음, 진동, 분진이 적은 도시 친화적 특징은 빌딩 내부에 정거장을 설치하여 시민들에게 최대한의 편리한 접근성을 제공할 것입니다. 우리 아이들에게 물려줄 가장 편안한 차세대 교통 시스템을 생각하신다면 안전성, 친환경성, 경제성을 모두 갖춘 에코비입니다. 세계인의 꿈을 실현하는 첨단 도시형 자기 부상 열차 에코비와 함께 세계인의 삶의 질이 뜨고 있습니다.
Urban maglev train, which uses magnetic levitation to propel vehicle rather than running on track on wheels, is scheduled for a full operation for the first time in Korea, which is the world's second. Korea's next-generation rail transportation developed by homemade components and technology. Safe and clean way of commuting is about to begin. The Incheon International Airport, where 170,000 planes make a stop annually, will soon have a new addition in means of transportation. The maglev train, which runs 6.1 kilometers through Incheon International Airport to Yongju Station at up to 85 kilometers per hour, is called Ecobi, and it will be in operation very soon. The maglev train became of high interest in the 1970s in Germany. Korea's Ecobi is the world's second low to mid-speed maglev train in commercial operation in urban area following Japan. The Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials has been working on the maglev train for 25 years since 1989, and the commercial operation of Ecobi is in near sight. The vehicle stays afloat and moves 8 millimeters above the rails. Even without passengers on board, the vehicle itself weighs 19 tons. So how is it possible to keep such a heavy metal float in motion?
자기부상 열차는 일반 그 철도와는 달리 바퀴 없이 전자석의 힘으로 차를 띄워서 가는 것인데, 전자석은 이제 차량에 부착되어 가지고 레일 밑에서 이렇게 전자석이 있습니다. 그래서 레일과 이 차량 전자석이 서로 잡아 당기는 힘에 의해서 차가 들어 올려지게 되고, 실제로 부상하는 높이는 8mm입니다. 그래서 8mm를 어떤 경우에든지 바람이 부르나 사람이 작게 타나 많이 타나 이걸 적절하게 유지해 주는 게 기술적으로 가장 관건이 될 것이고.
That is due to electromagnets that are placed at the bottom of the vehicle and on the rails. When current flows into the electromagnets above the track, the opposite poles of the magnet move into formation and create a push and pull effect, making the train move forward. So what are the merits of maglev train over regular train with wheels?
자기부상 열차가 친환경적인 시스템인데요. 소음, 진동, 그다음에 분진이 거의 없는 시스템입니다. 그 중에서 특히 이제 소음, 진동이 별로 없기 때문에 아주 조용하기 때문에 이 자기부상 열차는 주거 지역에 굉장히 인접해서 이렇게 운영을 할 수가 있습니다.
Noise level is also at minimum within the vehicle as well. Measurement of noise inside the vehicle recorded 65 decibels, which is lower than 71 to 85 decibels recorded in a regular train. As maglev trains stay afloat, vibration is also at a minimum and there is less chance of a derailment. Moreover, there is no worry over dust, which makes it a green way of public transportation. Maglev trains are also in demand because it is known to be economical. In the past, it was considered costly to keep the vehicle afloat, as such a method consumed 20 to 30%.
Imagine whisking through towns at speeds over 100 miles an hour, walking only a few steps to public transportation, and ending up just blocks from your destination. Imagine what a great project that would be to rebuild America. Now, all of you know this is not some fanciful pie-in-the-sky vision of the future. It is now. It is happening right now. It's been happening for decades. The problem is it's been happening elsewhere, not here.
Construction cost of urban-type maglev trains is estimated to be below $45 million per kilometer, which is lower than the cost for a light rail or underground. Operating expenses is also lower because there are no wheels or gears to replace, making maglev trains highly economical.
자기부상 열차는 아시는 바와 같이 떠서 이렇게 가니까 마찰되고 마모되고 그런 부품이 없습니다.
So it's being done.
보수에서
It's just not being done here.
경제적인 측면이
There's no reason why we can't do this.
대전도시철도공사에서 현재
This is America.
있는 1호선.
There's no reason why the future of travel should lie somewhere else, beyond our borders.
열차가 한 40%는 더 저렴하지 않을까 이렇게 예측하고 있고요. 그래서 경제성 측면에서 장기간으로 볼 때 저희는 라이프 사이클 코스트라고 그러는데 장기간 생애 주기 비용을 보면 훨씬 더 우위에 있다고 이렇게 말씀드릴 수 있습니다.
The world's second urban maglev train, Ecobee, it still needs to prove itself to be safe. For 2 years since 2009, the Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials conducted the toughest performance test and is ready to have passengers on board.
선로의 경우는 지진을 대비해서 강도를 충분히 확보하고 있고 차량의 경우는 열차가 선로를 감싸도록 구조를 만들어서 탈선의 염려를 미연에 방지하고 있습니다.
The urban-type maglev train is also planned for construction in Daejeon Metropolitan City by the year 2020. With the rise of global interest on maglev trains, Korea's own technology is expected to make a noticeable headway.
실제로 시범 노선을 구축해가지고 인천공항에서 시범.
Ecobee, maglev train made with Korea's own technology, is scheduled for full operation after 60 days of a test run. It won't be long before Korea-made maglev trains running on tracks built in other countries around the globe will be seen.